Does my boys like turkey bacon? Who likes turkey bacon? Do my boys like turkey bacon? Oliver, Oliver, do you like turkey bacon? Dude, do you like turkey bacon? Miles? Miles, do you like turkey bacon? What about you boys? Turkey bacon. Bacon, 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 bacon. Well, unfortunately, turkey bacon is not for little dogs, huh? But the smell is good. What do you say? How about a wag at this cookie? Where's your cookies? How about a wag at the cookies? Oh my goodness, where's your cookies? Where are they? Which drawer are they in? Can we get a cookie? Are you a cookie monster? Are you a cookie monster? Are you a cookie monster, Oliver? How about you, Miles? Are you a cookie monster? Ooh. Where's all the cookies? Cookies. Where's your cookies? Huh? Where's your cookies? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where's your cookies? Wrong door. Cookies aren't up there. Where's your cookies? Cookies. Cookies. I'm going to get a cookie monster. Where's your cookies? Can you sit and can you beg?